could see, my ears could hear, the angry river roar. When from you rains the Dnieper bears into the deep blue sea, the flood unfolds, then will I leave these hills and fertile fields. All I live and fly away, I fly right up to God, to sing His praise, but till that day I recognize no God. Oh, bury me and rise you up, and smash your heavy chains, and water well with evil blood the freedom of Ukraine, and in the great new family the kingship of the free, with kindly and a gentle word remember